Now it's good.
Okay.
So we had LeWeb08 at oodrive. So what is your company?
This is a software publisher. oodrive is now selling 3 different products. Ad Backup, that's an online solution for professional, but we have also Ad Backup also, that's an online backup for individual, mostly sold through partnership, like Completel, like Orange, like AOL, and other stuff like that. We are selling also a file sharing solution named eExtranet. eExtranet is like an FTP solution. Yeah, exactly.
eExtranet.
eExtranet, yeah, sorry.
So are you only selling in France for now, or?
No, we are selling all over the world today, but most of our clients are in France and in Belgium. We have a reseller in Asia, also, and a bit in North Africa. We have a file sharing solution for individual named Store and Share. It's also sold through a partnership like Darty, like Fnac, and some other ISPs and and other like specialized distribution network. And we have a third solution named Mayotic. Mayotic it was one of the pioneers of collaborative work in France. The company was born in 1998, and oodrive bought that company in 2006. That's a quite common, not common, but quite collaborative work. You can edit a virtual room, for example, to build an extranet or internet for companies, and you can edit blogs, forum, and stuff like that for your specific services in the company.
So you like cloud computing for large files?
Yeah, cloud computing is a very vast concept today. Like 5 years ago, everyone was talking about ASP. Now everyone is talking about SaaS solution. Cloud computing is like, for me today, it's quite a concept. Today we are, let's say, involved in the file sharing and file management industry in general. Yeah.
So how much does it cost to, for example, for a normal user to use it? Is it for free from Fnac, or if you go there and use your system?
No, our system in general bundled. The system, the solution for individual are bundled. So you get a pack in Fnac named the pack Fnac Essentiel. For example, I think it's around 90 euros in all the Fnac in Europe.
How much did you say?
90 euros. 90 euros, yeah. 90 euros, but it's a bundle. So it is sold with an antivirus and parental control and other applications like that.
So people, when they buy a laptop or a computer, they will buy this as an extra feature.
Exactly.
And they get how many gigs on the internet?
It depends. You can choose. For individual, the basic solution is sold with 2 gigs. With 2 gigs, in general it's quite enough for individual, because what you wanna share is generally family video, family picture, and stuff like that. This is not an archive solution. This is a sharing solution. So the idea is not to keep all your file stored in the application, but to invite. The backup is different. I'm going to talk about the backup right after. So the idea is really to put your files and different picture online and give access to your family, for example. The backup is different, so it's quite different.
Another service.
Yes, that's another service. So it's Ad Backup. Here is in French, but all the data in English also. So the backup is it's today in France and mostly in Europe quite a commodity, but the idea is for professional. You need to really secure your critical data, your client database, your accounts, your accounting, and so on. Because we know that a company who face a disaster like that, 90% of the company who face data loss, most of the company shut down after 2 years. Yeah. So the idea is really now everyone needs to back up their critical data in companies. And that's quite the same for individual, in fact, because individual, when you crash your computer, generally you lose your daughter wedding video, the family vacation and stuff like that. That's not the cost but that's not about the cost. But we all have our personal data, and that's quite a shame, and that's quite the most bad thing when you lose everything on your computer. So
this is for end user consumers. Like, how much does it cost the servers?
This is not directly sold as such for individual. This is also bundled in general. And the cost for a company, the first price is 25 euros for 5 gigs.
5 gigs.
For 5 gigs per month.
Yeah.
Per month. And that solution is only sold today in an indirect way. We in fact have, sorry. My phone was ringing. The backup solution is sold through a network of resellers, and we have today around 700 resellers in Europe.
All right. Do you have any marketing? Would you say how much bandwidth you use or how much gigs you're hosting right now? Or do you have official marketing?
Official marketing data, that should be my work, because I'm the marketing manager. Yeah. We have today around 40 to 50 teras.
All right.
Teras.
Cool. That's a nice bunch of servers.
Yeah, we have today around 8,000 company clients, enterprise clients today. Actually, that's quite a lot of data.
Okay, cool. Thanks. Thanks for that. So you're going to expand and stuff. That's what's happening. Now you're going much more.
Yeah. Today we just bought a company in Belgium named Blue Backup. It is one of the pioneers in backup in Belgium. We just bought them like 2 weeks ago.
Nice.
And we are effectively in the move of expanding all over Europe.
But you didn't buy Streamload?
No.
Or,
No.
I was using Streamload a few years ago.
Yeah.
They were sold to somebody else, and then now it's I don't know. But you're growing strong.
Thanks.